To start, prepare 4 things: a sewing machine, scissors, and a PVC replacement bag. Choose a thicker one, it's more durable and provides better dust protection. After watching this video, you can have your own custom protector for your Labubu. Let's begin by preparing the PVC bag. Measure it against your Labubu to get the right size. Next, cut along the side of the bag. Then cut open the bottom of the wider side. This gives you a basic rectangular pattern. Now it's time for the sewing machine. Start sewing from one end of the wider side. Try to keep the seam allowance as small as possible. This makes the dust cover more secure. When you get close to the narrow side, quickly adjust the bag's angle. Try to sew a rounded curve at the top. If you do this well, the basic shape of the cover is done. For a more refined look, choose thread that matches your Labubu. It really elevates the look. Once sewn, don't rush to the next step. First, trim along the stitched edge with scissors. Cut as close as possible to remove excess material. This makes the cover's edges much neater. Next, open the bag from the wide end. Then cut a small round hole in the middle of the top. This hole is for attaching the keychain ring. It makes hanging them up super convenient. Last step, gently place your Labubu into the dust cover. Then use decorative scissors to trim the bottom to the right length. And just like that, your custom Labubu dust cover is done. Wasn't that super easy? Give it a try and keep your Labubu clean and pristine.